What's the matter? Hey, come on. Come on here. Oh, look, Sil. Hi there. Oh, Sylvie. You have to see this, Sil. Oh. Hi there. It's coming over to me. Oh, that's a shame. Hey, what's going on? You came into the house, didn't you? Didn't you, fella? Huh?
Oh, maybe
Yeah. You came into the house. Didn't you? What's going on? I don't know if it'll bite me, but I was going to put my finger and you could sit on it.
I would. Are you kidding? You actually do that?
Yeah.
That is insane.
Oh, that's a shame. Poor little thing. Hey there. Hi, fella.
Well, at least it's safe up there now, huh?
Yeah, I guess. Oh, that's a shame. Hi there. Hi. Hello. What you doing? Huh? Oh, there you are. Hello. Yeah. We would never do anything to you. Oh. Yeah. You lost or something? Did you belong to somebody?
It did fly, didn't it?
Yeah, it did fly a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, maybe not.
But it wouldn't fly away, though. Oh. Wow. Can you believe that, folks? Hi there. Hey, fella. Don't worry. I'm not going to hurt you. Just taking a nice picture of you. Yeah.
Yes, maybe that wasn't going to its mother.
Uh-huh. Come on, say something. You were just saying something. Come on, Birdie. Hey, you were saying something. What? Yeah. Uh-huh. You like our plants? Huh? What if it is injured, the poor little thing? Look, it's just not afraid.
Uh-huh.
It's right there.
Uh-huh. Right, because why wouldn't it fly away?
Yeah, why aren't you flying away? Huh? I can't believe this.